If there's one thing that lake lovers love more than their boat or even their lake home, it is their lake dog. So we at Love Lake Martin want to invite you to celebrate our Every Dog Deserves a Lake House campaign. Whether you have a doodle, a dachshund, or a Dalmatian, we invite you and your pup to 7787 Highway 63 South, Saturday morning, November 19th from 10 to noon. We'll have breakfast and bloodies. We'll have pictures with you and your pet. We'll have Tim Blanton from Birmingham doing live pet portraits. The community of dog lovers and dog vendors will be here to meet you and your pup. Thanks for such a fantastic year. Thank you for watching the Love Lake Martin Show. We love Lake Martin because every dog deserves a lake house.